Ready? Oh, he's ready? All right, hey everybody. This is Dr. Jay Corsani over at Snore Experts. We're going to do a quick Facebook Live video of the NightLase treatment in action. I just want to give you a quick view of the office. There's our little TV with some waterfalls in the back there. I'm going to flip here. Here's some of our staff. We've got some new demo appliances here. Some of the custom stuff we do here. We're going to go over to the office. Do a little quick office tour as well here. Alright. Smile, you're on camera.
Hello. Oh, you're over there. I was looking at the doorway. I'm like, where are you?
I'm right here.
All right, you narrate. You do play-by-play.
I will do narration here. We have Dr. Stephanie Coletta here.
Hi guys.
In charge. Aaron Bender's chilling out here. We're doing some laser therapy. This is our machine here. That's what it looks like.
If you ever wanted to see the back of Aaron Bender's throat, you're about to see it right now.
Let's see how deep we can get this Facebook Live.
Zoom in.
Yeah. So just in case our viewers are wondering, what we're doing here is we're shining this laser energy in the back of the airway, and we're causing the tissue to tighten up and to shrink and get less flapping. And that's how NightLase works. It's a dual laser thing, which means we've got one laser over there and we've got a second one over here. We start with that one and we go over here. And you can see that little green light there when she took it out. That's what's going on. I think there's a way to see comments, and if anyone has any questions, let me know. I think Aaron just tweeted that he's getting this done here, so we might get some interesting viewers.
I like being less flappy.
Less flappy is a good thing.
Everyone wants to be less flappy.
Wasn't there a game Flappy Birds or something like that? It was like that little flapping thing.
Oh, Floppy Bird.
Floppy Bird. I'm gonna make one called the new app, Flappy Birds.
Yeah.
Flappy Throats. People are always asking us, does this hurt? What does it feel like? You can see here, it's like a walk in the park. Basically, no anesthesia, no burning, no cutting. We're just shining laser energy. You hear some little ticking noises, and that's it. If anyone has any questions, we can answer them in real time here. I think there's a way to do this. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. So just wanted to give you a quick tour here. I'm going to let these guys get back to it. We're over here at Snore Experts. We're doing NightLase laser snoring therapy. Among other things, we're offering custom oral appliances and CPAPs and home sleep studies and anything you need to get your snoring and apnea under control. A little shot of Hollywood in the background here. I know, perfectly positioned. That's it for today, folks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.